The teams then, Portugal against Argentina. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Begley.
A fantastic dribbler with a killer eye for a pass, and obviously a lethal finisher too.
Goal! Portugal! He's got through. Can he find a finish now? They've scored! Now it's Mbappe. He's through, it's one-on-one. Oh, he's broken through. It's a goal!
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Hey man, listen up closely. I know lately you're a bit lonely, but you know on your phone there's a whole world full of girls you could be looking at, homie. It's true, between me and you, it's only $5 and watch what they do. Let's get high, lose track of time. Come on man, you know I'm a damn good time. Yo, if they're gonna post it, no clothing, oh my god, so exposed and everything. You might as well see everything, every inch, never leave or grow a need. Wait, maybe you should DM, be friends, pretend, a boyfriend, the deep end. She needs men, she needs you and your dues. Get out of my head, get out of my mind. I need to focus, I'm wasting my time. You make me feel hopeless, I'm wasting my prime. Fuck it, I'm going to war with my mind. I'm in control, my body and soul. Never again will you ever take hold. I've got a purpose outside of this hole, and I'll turn this feeling into something more. I could change, rearrange my brain. Thoughts and energy push through pain. Loneliness is a passing phase. A better life, it starts today. Once hopeless and broken, I'm in motion. Just gotta stay focused. Keep moving, keep growing. Never look back, got a new path chosen.
When we are weak, when we are broken, that's when we're left open. In darkness, it's all of our flaws that keep us hopeless. Numb our minds and choke us. I'm in control of I'm taking off. I'm crying out this hole. I get what's wrong. It's my control.
We used to have fun, hang out and smoke. Watch a little you know what a show. Drink a little bit of this, little that to cope. Yeah, wait, we used to have fun, right? Sleep in short days, but the long nights. You always love to go play, what a fun guy. But now you seem so lame, what a shame, right? Hey, come back, let's get high. We can have another run like the good times. We can have a little fun, just recline, me time. Hit over the wheel, you'll be just fine. Yeah, you know I'm always here for you. Life gets hard, there's a lot of fear for you. You know I can make it all disappear for you. Only one time, you'll be fine, man, I'll cheer for you. No, I don't wanna get back to a place that I really don't like, so I really gotta go. All the thoughts in the back of my mind, they be bigger at night when the dark takes hold. Gotta make my way to the light, feeling better inside every time I say no. I'm in motion, yeah, I've chosen different path, but we rapidly have in control. I'm back, baby, better than ever, no drag. Taking back everything I lacked lately. Feel like me, I'm back, crazy. I took all that pain, put that energy to change. I will never be the same, I will never be a stain.
So when we are weak, when we are broken, that's when we're left open. In darkness, it's all of our flaws that keep us hopeless. Numb our minds and choke us. But I'm in control of I'm taking off. I'm crying out this hole. I get what's wrong. It's my control.
Untuk updatean dari PES 2017 update RZ patch 2026 versi 3-nya di emulator GameHub ataupun Android cuy. Jadi untuk cara pemasangnya sama aja ya. Dan sebelum kalian update ke V3-nya, sebelumnya kalian wajib install PES 2017 polosan. Terus yang kedua kalian install RZ patch 2026 versi IO-nya. Terus versi RZ patch versi 1, terus update lagi ke RZ patch V2 berurutan ya, terus kalian update ke versi 3 yang ini cuy. Jadi langsung aja kita ke cara pemasangannya. Oke, dan ini dia nanti untuk file bahannya ya. Ada 2 part, kalian download semua. Untuk ukurannya ini sekitar 300 MB-an aja cuy. Jadi kecil banget ya. Terus langsung aja kita mulai di sini, kita ekstrak untuk part 1 aja. Otomatis untuk part kedua bakal ikut ke ekstrak cuy. Setelah diekstrak nanti bakal muncul folder atau file seperti ini. Sekarang kita bisa pindahin untuk option filenya, folder option filenya ke dalam instalasi PES 2017 kalian cuy. Oke, di sini ya. Terus untuk option file yang sebelumnya kalian bisa hapus aja cuy. Oke, kalau udah kita bisa balik lagi. Terus kalian masuk ke folder RZ-Patch26 Patch V3-nya. Dan untuk file CPK-nya ini kalian bisa pindahin ke folder download. Terus instalasi PES 2017 kalian. Terus masuk ke folder download cuy. Di sini ya. Kita pindahin. Dan kalau udah dipindahin di sini, sekarang kita bisa masuk ke emulator GameHub kita cuy. Oke, terus di sini kita bisa langsung aja masuk ke PC game setting, terus masuk ke enter container desktop cuy. Terus di sini kalian masuk ke my computer, ke drive D, terus ke PES 2017 kalian. Terus kalian bisa buka untuk DP files generatornya. Nah oke cuy, jadi ini udah kebuka ya untuk DP files generatornya. Dan sekarang kita bisa load ya buat DP files binnya. Caranya klik ini. Di DP filesnya kalian klik choose patch. Terus kalian arahin ke my computer, drive D, ke instalasi PES 2017 kalian, terus masuk ke folder download cuy. Nanti di sini ada file dpfiles.bin ya. Terus kalian klik open cuy. Dan nanti bakal kelut ya untuk checklistan atau urutan file CPK kalian. Atau enggak kalian juga bisa checklist sesuai urutannya ya, manual. Dan untuk urutannya seperti ini, kalian bisa ikutin ya seperti di video. Kayak gini, takutnya ada bug ya kalau nggak berurutan. Untuk RZ Patch update V3-nya taruh yang paling bawah cuy. Kalau udah, kita ke DLC, kita klik. Terus kita ubah ke no DLC cuy. Kalau udah, kita klik generate. Terus klik OK, terus kita close. Dan sekarang kita bakal masuk ke folder option filenya. Di ini ada file edit, kita bisa copy ke dokumen, terus Konami Pro Evolution Soccer 2017, terus ke folder save di sini ya cuy. Terus kita paste aja ya. Dan klik yes, kita replace. Oke, dan kita exit aja. Dan selamat PES 2017 kalian udah ke update ke RZ Patch 2026 V3-nya cuy. Jadi gitu aja untuk cara pemasangannya. Kalian bisa cek aja ke dalam gamenya dan udah ke update cuy. Oke, jadi mungkin gitu aja untuk video kali ini. Kalau kalian suka jangan lupa di like dan di subscribe. Dan sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.